Okay, news for this exhibition. There is a new pistol made of Beretta USA BU9 NANO 9mm Parabellum caliber. It's very popular in the USA for concealed carry, very slim, striker pin. The magazine is 6 rounds magazine in this caliber. You can disassemble the pistol, pushing this pin and turning this screw without pushing the trigger pull before. It's very slim, it's very easy to be concealed. 9mm Parabellum is the first caliber, will be available also in .40 for worldwide market. Okay. Another news of this exhibition, this model ARX160 in 22 long rifle caliber. Is a clone of the famous assault rifle of Beretta, ARX160 5.56 caliber. Is made for plinking and leisure. The magazine release button, you can see the magazine is 20 rounds magazine, 22 long rifle. Barrel length is 16 inches, flip up sides on the tops. The stock is foldable and telescopic in different positions. It's also available for civilian market and commercial market in Europe and worldwide.